Advanced keypads can display the desk height in inches or centimeters. To change the units of measurement of an advanced comfort keypad, you will need to reset the desk. Clear the way for the desk to travel to its lowest height. Hold the down arrow to lower the desk completely and then let go. Hold the down arrow again until you see ASR on the display. Press and hold the 2 button until 10.3 or 10.4 appear on the display. 10.3 is the setting for centimeters, and 10.4 is the setting for inches. Press and hold the 2 button to toggle between the settings. After selecting your preferred unit of measurement, hold the down button until the desk slightly lowers and rises, and the display returns to showing the height. To change the units of measurement of an advanced paddle keypad, you will need to reset the desk. Clear the way for the desk to travel to its lowest height. Hold the paddle down to lower the desk all the way and then let go. Hold the paddle down again until the word Reset is displayed. Hold the paddle down while pressing the side button until the number 10.3 appears for centimeters, or continue to hold the side button until 10.4 appears for inches. Continue to hold and the numbers will cycle with the display flashing Reset between each number change. When the desired setting is displayed, release the paddle to select. To finalize the setting change, hold the paddle down until the desk lowers and rises slightly. The desk height should now be displayed in your preferred unit of measurement. Work better, live healthier. UPLIFT Desk.